Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this short video, I want to show you how you could set your output based on paper size, which it is very important for some users like architects. Usually, we are going to rendering and render setup and set the output size from here. Sadly, as you see, they are all set for production of film or images. To match your render setup for output print size, simply go to rendering menu and select print size assistance. Now here we could set the size or dimension instead of pixels based on millimeter or inches. Also on paper size we have some variety of paper size presets, for example A4, 297 by 210 millimeter, and you could set on portrait or landscape. Also, highly recommend you to set DPI on 300, as you see set here on DPI dot per inches, and set your output files, which it is not mandatory. You could save your render later on, and if you need alpha channel, of course you could save on save alpha channel. If you save some formats like TIFF, you could enable compress file and simply render. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please comment below this video and subscribe for more videos.